Hello everyone. Actually, right now I receive a message from Amazon. So my package is outside the house, and I believe that is a gate for a new world, you know. And then I will explain it to you. Let me to go out and then take the package. Yes, it is. So I believe that is uh, a key or new port for modern world, and then I explain it to you right away. So let me to just walk out a little bit and then explain these things and see what I received. Let me to open the package. Okay, I open it up, and then yes, you know that. So that is the wallet. It's a new wallet for new world. Okay. So anybody has have some information about cryptocurrency, that is a hardware wallet. Actually, there are some website you can save your money there, but if you really want to invest on that system, it's better to have actual wallet on your hand, because you don't want to your money disappear suddenly. Let me talk about what I mean about new world. Most of us know about a little bit about history of humanity. First of all, we trade items to items. So if we need meat, we give somebody has the meat. We give some, corn or something, and then receive a meat. So and then after all, the metals get the place and then become like actual money. But later, the government of each country issued the money or the paper, which we use it right now to buy stuff. But those paper is controlled by government, and then, for example, one of the most major one is a dollar, so which is controlled by U.S. government. Since until decade 70, it was chained by connected to gold. So U.S. government have to reserve some gold to issue the dollar. But after decade 70, the president of America, just broke that chain and then issued or published as much he want dollar and give it to everybody, so to pay their cost, the government cost. But the cryptocurrency is not controlled by governments, so they have a limit. For example, the Bitcoin has a certain amount of the Bitcoin, so nobody can add some to it, nobody can make it less, so that means I believe it become the future money for us, for everybody. If you want some valid asset and you want to keep it for yourself for future, you can save it on bank, but the thing is, the value of the money will get less in the period of that of the time, but in crypto it's not like that. For example, I saved $17,000 in the bank in 2015, but still I have that much money, $17,000. But if I bought Bitcoin at that moment, I believe that moment the Bitcoin was about 10. I believe it's $1,000, something like that. So look at that. Today's Bitcoin, the value is about $35,000. You can't believe it. It that much grow up, and then I believe the people will get to use it very soon. Actually, not just the Bitcoin. There are many other crypto coin there. And before, I didn't believe them. I didn't trust them. And still, I cannot trust every website. But we have to look for it. I just want to introduce that system to somebody doesn't know about it, or just ring the bell for you guys to know this will coming very soon. So I just bought this wallet, and then I will set it up, and then by the time I buy certain amount of Bitcoin or other crypto coins and save it here for myself, and involved with that modern money. Today we can purchase many things with the crypto money, crypto coins, and then also there are some ATMs, they accept crypto. So if you still didn't know anything about this system, I just invite you to go to website and going to learn something about it, which I did it, and then still I'm going to learn some more, and then how the change coming with it. But I believe that is the world money. So just go on the internet and learn something. I recommend you do not just jump and buy some and join some website. You cannot trust them. Just pay money to them. No, not like that. You can research and then learn more and see which changes, or which wallets website are good or is good. But I just buy the hardware wallet, and then there are a way to set it up. You can find many video to how to set up the wallet. I just take this out and show it to you just for a moment. You can see it. The package is really beautiful. I like it. And then when you open it up, is the actual wallet, and it is a seal for it. You have to take this out for using it. I search on the internet to see which one is the best one. So I tried to buy best, because buying a wallet, I'm not going every day to buy a wallet. So one time, so I pay some money for, it's just one time pay. So, and then I have to take that seal and then connect it to computer for setting it up. So I just want to introduce this to you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it, and also I enjoyed that, you know, cold weather in the winter in Texas. And you can see that is a magnetic stick something, so I can like that. You can see that. Okay, so just research and learn some more, and then go in there. I'm sure you will be enjoy it, and many people will join to this system very soon. Already many people already did that, you know. Billions of dollars been reserved in that system, and still there are many more possibility. Okay, I just ring the bell for you guys, and hope everybody have a good day, and God bless you guys. Bye.